The program itself helped restore our relationship as a mom and a son. It provides more than just that head knowledge. It provides that compassion that's needed to really teach someone to love reading. My name is Ebony Shider, and I have 3 readers as of now. A 9-year-old named Grayson, a 7-year-old named Garrison, and a 4-year-old, actually he'll be 5 tomorrow, named Jurion. I have been homeschooling for the last, 9 years, let's say. I have dyslexia. And as I watched my children, I realized my oldest had dyslexia as well. He was showing the signs. And then my second one, Garrison, he is a gifted learner, but he also shows signs of dyslexia. I tried several different programs. They have all the bells and whistles, all the colors, and be like cool looking, but they weren't really teacher friendly nor student friendly. As a teacher, I'd get bored. And then my students would get bored also. They weren't grasping the concept of learning to read and how to read. And I was finding that every time we started a program and it didn't provide what it promised, my son got more discouraged. I got more discouraged. And that frustration was building, and it was causing us that conflict whenever we sat down to do our lessons. Since we've started the Learn Reading program, they look forward to reading. They enjoy reading. Not only reading, they enjoy spelling. It's something about the process of the Learn Reading program that, pencil reading and, taking those sounds and really working and finding those sounds. And so that love that they have for reading now, writing, as well as storytelling and spelling, it makes it easier for me to teach them. My life is different now using the Learn Reading program because I'm confident in the program. I'm not in the back of my mind while I'm going through a lesson thinking of another program that might work. The Learn Reading program is so effective that I can take a break and start right back up, and it's like we didn't miss a beat. They're still reading, they're still practicing what they learned when we're taking our breaks. I could go back to the beginning if I wanted, to the first lesson, and they still feel like they're learning all over again, and they're not frustrated like, we did this already. It's that versatile. The program is that versatile and flexible. So you don't have to feel like you have to do, 10 lessons in, 2 weeks, or, you have to complete this before you do this. You just you follow the layout, the program. If you have to take a break, take a break. The kids enjoy the program. It's not so difficult or challenging that they're frustrated they have to take a step back. I recommend the Learn Reading program all the time. Don't go and spend all that money on those different curriculums with all the bells and whistles. This is the program that is going to meet your need and also save you mental strain and financial strain. So definitely try the Learn Reading program. I'm confident that you're going to love it.